Welcome to Begin IT Career online trainings. Today we'll see the certification procedure for HPQC. The latest version is called HP0-M Application Lifecycle Management. The exam you have to clear to get this certification is HP0-M46. The name of this exam is HP Application Lifecycle Management 11.X. The minimum qualification for this exam is you have to at least know how to use the HPQC tool, how to log a defects and how to create requirements and all this stuff. And coming to the exam details, you totally will have 63 questions and the item type is multiple choice of single answer, multiple choice of multiple responses and ranking. Total exam time is 115 minutes and they give extra 5 minutes to read the agreement policy and the security statement. Coming to the passing score, so you have to get 74% in the exam. That means it is bit high, the percentage, the passing score. So coming to the next section, the syllabus. So the syllabus is very clearly mentioned here. 8% of the questions comes from ALM concepts, architecture and components. 12% of questions comes from management terms, concepts and tools. We can see the subheadings where they have given the clearly concepts which you have to go through. 10% comes from requirements implementation and management. 2% from risk-based testing steps and factors, 6% from test plan build, 10% from test sets plan and execution, 11% of questions from defect tracking concepts, features and best practice, 3% from version control use and configuration, 11% of questions from reports build and data management, 6% of questions from business models, module, key concepts, terms and operations, and 6% from HP Sprinter key concepts and operations, which is new module added in the latest version, and 5% from ALM integrations and extensions, and 10% from project customization. So if you are searching for the material or the guide where you have to revise all these concepts, here is the reference materials with the chapter numbers which will help you to go through, that means to complete all the concepts, all the syllabus concepts which is given in the previous section. So you have to go through this administrator guide following these chapters 4, 7, 8, 12, 15 and 19, and the user guide and HP0-M synchronizer user guide with the chapter numbers. Please go through all the chapters to cover the syllabus. Coming to the next section, pricing for the exam. The pricing for this exam is 100 USD. And coming to the enrollment procedure, for the enrollment you have to log into HP Pearson BUE. So I just want to show you the website, how is it like. If you see this is HP Pearson BUE. So if you simply just go to Pearson BUE site where you can directly select the IT certifications and the HP as a client center, this page will be directly displayed. So if you can see this Pearson BUE site, you can see two different types of exams here. HP0 proctored exams, HP2 and HP3 web-based exams. So you have basically two types of HP exams which Pearson BUE is conducting. So you might be wondering, your exam will fall under either proctored exams or the web-based exams. So if you see the extension here, HP0, all the exams starting with HP0 are called or will be fall under this proctored exams, and the other exams will be falling under this web-based exams. As QC Application Lifecycle Management, the number is HP0-M46. It will fall under the proctored exams. So to give you a clear-cut difference between the proctored exams and the web-based exams, there is only one difference. For the proctored exams, you have to go to the Pearson BUE testing centers to write this exam. but for the web-based exams you can write it online. So what are the Pearson VUE testing centers? So when you register your profile with Pearson, like by clicking this link, when you try to create your profile with it will ask you the address of yours. So once you are filling the address, you can find out the nearest testing centers available nearest to your location. So using this you can find out the nearest testing center and you can book a slot for your exam. So this is a Pearson VUE site, and for writing this exam, for registering with this exam, you require a HP Learner ID. So let me explain you what is this HP Learner ID here. So HP Learner ID is nothing but a unique ID which will be given to you for your profile. So that ID will be taken as your reference, and then you can go, that ID will be given as a reference for you. So using that ID you can go and register for the HP exams. So how do you get that ID? To get that ID you have to go to this particular link, www.myexpert1.com/forms/customer-registration.aspx. Go there, fill in your details, just give all the details and just click submit. It will take 3 to 5 business days where the HP will send you email back with the ID called Learner ID. So using that Learner ID you can go and register in the Pearson VUE for the exam. So once you get the Learner ID, you will get an access to all the tutorials with the HP tools, that is Learning Center. You can make use of that, and if you still have any queries you can do comment here for more information, or you can drop us an email at contact@beginitcareer.com, or you can send us an inquiry at beginitcareer.com. Go to this website and drop us an inquiry. We'll also give a training on this QC, as well as we'll assist you in doing this certification. Thank you.